Hi guys, so I hope y'all are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. I have a makeup client that's supposed to be coming in literally like 45 minutes, 45 minutes. So I'm gonna be setting up for that. Today has been like such a really chill day though. I've already cleaned my brushes and disinfected my workstation. So I'm about to set up before she gets here. So now I'm just gonna be laying out all of my products, so that way I could just pull as I am doing her makeup. Mind you, this isn't the first time I've done today's client's makeup. She's a returning client. She's so sweet. She's a returning client, so I pretty much kind of remember the colors that I've used on her the first time that we worked together. So yeah. There you have it. I have everything set up. So now I'm just waiting on my beautiful client to arrive. So this is my lovely client. She literally came like 5 minutes after I made that first clip that you guys just seen, but I'm just doing her prep right here. And since we were listening to music and talking throughout the entire duration of her session, I'm just gonna have the video playing, of course, and you guys can listen to the nice music playing in the background. But yeah, this is for her graduation. I did her makeup for her prom like a couple weeks ago. She was so sweet. Her family is so sweet as well, but it was really nice to know that she loved my work and booked me again. Like, I was so honored. Like, she's such a sweetheart. And then she also referred other people to me, which was great, and the people that she referred were ultra sweet and ultra nice. Like, I love my clients. I love my clients so much.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were darling. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm feeling. Right now, from the side now, come on in. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were darling. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hope? all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm feeling right now from the side now. Come on then, fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
I just finished my client's makeup. She was so sweet and the look came out bomb.com. I wish you guys could see the glitter that I put on, well, it's shimmer. The shimmer I put on her eyes. I did not want to show up on camera whatsoever, but it's fine. She loved her makeup. She loved the look. While I was doing her makeup though, I did notice that this lip gloss, first of all, I don't know how that happened, but it's okay. We're gonna get it cleaned up. But this lip gloss that I have leaked. I don't understand how, because it had the lid on it, but it literally leaked into the bag. So now I have to clean all of these and put it in a new bag and isolate that one by itself. Because I don't understand how that even happened. But now I have to clean up all of this and put my brushes, the brushes I didn't use, in a separate bag so that way I can disinfect them and clean it. Okay, so this is the next day and I'm doing Sissy's makeup. Say hi, Sissy, to the vlog. I'm doing my sister's makeup for her birthday shoot and you guys are not going to be able to see her look in this video, so make sure to check out the next upload. Okay, bye. Love you guys so much.